Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Wells Fargo website or app. Log into your online banking account. Navigate to the budgeting tools section. Select the option to create a new budget. Begin by setting your financial goals. Determine your income sources and note them down. Identify your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage. List your variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Calculate your total income and total expenses. Ensure your expenses do not exceed your income. Adjust any spending categories as necessary. Use the built-in tools to visualize your budget easily. Save your budget once you are satisfied with the allocations. Set reminders for periodic budget reviews. Monitor your spending regularly to stay on track. Update your budget as your financial situation changes. Take advantage of Wells Fargo's financial education resources for tips. Consider using alerts for transactions that approach your budget limits. Review your progress at the end of each month. Make adjustments for the following month based on what you learn. Stay committed to your budget for better financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.